these are my friends Miss Kaur and Miss Madhupuri.
Miss Kaur, I have been getting calls from many students. They are getting bored at home. What to do?
I have an idea. Let's do some fun and creative activities with them.
Yes.
Miss Neme, do you have some suggestions?
I was actually going to make a puppet friend for my puppet Gogi. Would you all like to join me?
Yes. What all do we need?
Making a puppet is very easy. All you need is a base paper, an A4 size white color paper and some sketch pens. Today we are going to do puppet making. Puppets were used in olden days when there was no other mode of entertainment and storytelling. A person who tells stories using a puppet is known as a puppeteer. Now children, at the end of this video, I am going to ask you all a question. All you have to do is drop the correct answer in the comment section of this video. All the children who will show active participation during this video and drop the correct answers in the comment section will be given a lot of exciting prizes. So let us start today's activity. Now with the base paper, the paper with which you want to make your puppet, you need to take that. It should be a rectangular long paper. You can make it of any dimensions. If you want your puppet to be big, you need to take a longer paper. If you want your puppet to be small, take a smaller paper. I would suggest that you take a medium-sized paper which fits into your hand. Now, the paper. Fold it into 3 folds. A 3-fold is when you fold a paper 3 times like this. We will make a 3-fold. See? Simple, right? First fold, second fold. We will use glue to seal this paper. Make sure that you scribble the entire paper with glue so that there are no loopholes. If there are loopholes, your puppet will fall apart. Now, close this and let it dry. First, stick it properly. Make sure that these ends do not stick to each other. Till this dries, we are going to make the eyes and the mouth of the puppet. For the eyes of the puppet, we'll take a white sheet of paper and we'll draw 2 circles. The circles of the size of an eye. Now we need to cut these circles. Though I have drawn 2 circles, but the easiest trick is to fold the paper and then cut it. Like this, we will get 2 circles. Do you all know puppets are very easy to make and they are a very nice time pass. You can make so many stories using a puppet. And they are the easiest form of learning also. We have 2 circles ready now. Use black or brown sketch pen to draw the eyes of the puppet. Be careful, draw the eyes only with colors that you can imagine eyes to be. Do not make them an orange or a yellow color, it will become very scary. And then my friend Gogi will get scared. And he will not let me go to meet my friends then. So here is the eyes. Now we need to make the ears of the puppet. So for the ears, again we'll take a paper, fold it into half and we'll draw out 2 ears. Drawing ears is very easy. We'll draw 2 ears. Draw one, fold the paper so that even at the back you get a similar ear. Now, I don't want my ears to be pointed, so I am going to cut the edge off a little bit. I have 2 ears now for my puppet. The ears are ready, the eyes are ready. Now I am going to make the tongue of the puppet. For the tongue, what color is our tongue? It is pink color. So for the tongue, we need a pink color paper. We'll draw a big tongue. And we are going to cut the tongue also. Be careful while you are using the scissors. If you are under 12 years, you should use the scissors only and only when your parents are around. Please use the scissors that do not have pointed edges. You get the child-friendly scissors in the markets which have rounded edges. So please buy those scissors. Those are child-friendly. Now coming back to our puppet. Once the paper dries, we will take the paper and fold it into half. We will take it and fold it into half. Be very careful while making the folds, because if you make a wrong fold, the creases will spoil your puppet. After making the half fold, from where your puppet is opening, you will make one more fold. That is an outward fold. You will make an outward fold. From the back also make an outward fold. The body of the puppet is ready. If you see, you can put your hands in from here and put your thumb in from here. And the body of the puppet is ready. Fixing the eyes, the ears and the tongue. First take glue, put it on the tongue and open the mouth of your puppet and paste the tongue. Then fixing the eyes of the puppet. Put some glue. Make sure that the eyeballs that you have made are towards the inside. I hope the puppet is nice and you all are enjoying this activity. After fixing the eyes, it's time to fix the ears. Glue up the ears as well. Be careful, do not spoil the ears. Now we need to make the mouth of the puppet. So we will just draw a simple smile. I think my puppet lacks its teeth. So we are going to make the teeth as well. How is my puppet going to eat otherwise? And I don't want my puppet dying of hunger. So we are going to cut another shape just like the tongue. And then cut it from the middle as well, like how rabbits have teeth. You can draw this beforehand and cut it as well. If you feel that you need to draw it, you can draw it first as well. Make the teeth of similar size. Fold it from on top and glue the top portion. Open the mouth and stick the teeth like this. You stick the teeth like this. Our puppet is now ready. Our puppet is now ready.
Wow, it was so exciting.
Now, Miss Fleming, can we do the questions? So let's see whether we know the answers.
Okay. In olden days, people used to tell stories using puppets. What were those people called? What were the people who used to use puppets to tell stories called? Don't forget to put the correct answers in the comment section of this video.
I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button.
If you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want instant updates, please hit the bell icon.
Bye!
Bye.
Oh my god! So many gifts! You all can get these gifts too. All you have to do is show your active participation by liking, sharing, subscribing